Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do an acrylic pour with glitter, and I'm using Rebel glitters. This is a fine glitter. It's called Blue Geode, and this is from Just For You Online UK. So I have some of that in a little cup here, and I have some leftover paint. We're going to do a traveling tree ring, and then afterwards I'm going to add the glitter. I've found that if you mix the glitter directly into the paint, it just sinks in and you lose it. So I am going to add a bit more paint to my cup here. I just thought I would go ahead and use this leftover paint up. And there's all kinds of colors in here, but mainly blues. There's just a pop of orange that may or may not come out. We'll see. So I'm just going to add some more paints. And all the materials will be down in the description if anyone is wondering. But with the leftover paint, I kind of don't ever 100% know what's in there. So there may be some silicone. I'm not totally sure. But we're going to just go ahead and make something cool. Alright, so this is going to be, I think I said it already, but a traveling tree ring. I'm going to start over here. And here we go. Now it's a little hard to tell because this bronze also creates lots of cells, but I do see lots of cells popping up already, which could mean silicone in here. Or it could just be that bronze. You never know. Cool. So far so good. Looks awesome. Yeah, it looks like there's silicone in there. The way the cells are coming up, it's definitely a bit different when you have silicone. So let's go ahead and we'll get this all covered. And I like doing the traveling tree ring just because of the way it gives you these fun lines in here. There we go. That's pretty cool. Definitely lots of cells over there. So let's take our glitter, and I'm just going to add some in a few spots here. Hopefully, it's easier actually for me to do it in my hand to control it. Otherwise, I don't want to dump out the whole thing. So I'm just going to take some and put it over here. Cool. And then I'm going to put a line going through here. I don't want to overdo it, but I mean, glitter is fun because it can just give you this little extra pop. And I guess I've been going to Vegas too much recently. All that glitter and lights. Let's do just a little bit over here, and then I think that's fine. Nope, sorry. I'm going to do one more corner over here just to even it out a little. Okay, I'm going to leave that white alone. Oops, okay. Except by accident. There we go. All right, that did not take a lot of glitter at all. That was just a little bit. So let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. Okay, lower right-hand corner where I accidentally sprinkled some glitter on the white. Upper right-hand corner. Did that on purpose. This is a cool glitter. It has like different colors and different lights, you know. So a little smattering there. Here's where I went all the way across with it. All right. And then Up here I put a little bit in this corner, and then down over here in this little corner here. And you can actually see, since even just doing that close-up, all these cells are popping up. So that's really cool. Sorry guys, don't get mad. I changed my mind. There's one more spot that I feel like should have some glitter. Now that I'm looking at it up close, which is over here in this corner, I'm going to try to follow this blue line here. And there we go. Cool. Okay. I felt like it was just kind of incomplete over here, if that makes sense. So I feel like that completes it a little more. Boom. Okay. And guys, sorry for all the noise. I don't know if you can hear it. They're doing construction next door. Seems like always. But there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.